This tutorial will cover strategies that will help you with your research paper assignments. The biggest thing to remember is that doing research doesn't follow a direct linear path. There are many directions, detours, and even sometimes roadblocks to research. Keep an explorer's mindset. Patience and persistence are key. Before you start research, you must pick your topic. You can pick a topic that you find interesting, see on the news, or something relating to your college major. If your professor has assigned a topic, be sure to follow those instructions. Once you pick your topic, do some background research to help you deepen your knowledge and develop specific vocabulary. A general search on the internet can be helpful to get started. As you continue working, consider the scope of your topic. If it's too broad, it can be hard to find focused information. Too narrow, and you might not find any good resources at all. Now that you have done some background research, think about your topic using one of these question lenses. These lenses will help you develop a research question and can also help with your thesis statement. Which one? Frames your research as analyzing information to present an informed choice. How? Helps you understand problems, weigh options, and propose solutions. What if? Uses the knowledge and information you have to consider new options on your topic. Should? Frames your research as a scientific, moral, or practical decision based on evidence. Why? Investigates relationships within your topic or causes of a complex issue. The next step is to write a research question base on your topic. Here are some examples. Notice that they use the question lenses from the previous slide. Should colleges have entrance exams? How has climate change affected farming? Why does social media affect teenagers' mental health? Next, look at your research question and identify the main ideas. These will be used as keywords when you search for sources. In this example, the main ideas are colleges and entrance exams. It is also a good idea to brainstorm synonyms and other keywords. Keep a list somewhere to refer to as you conduct your research. Boolean operators are used to combine or exclude keywords in search results. Using the operator AND will narrow down results. The operator OR will broaden results. The operator NOT will also narrow down results. For beginner researchers, using the AND operator is the most common. Our next step is to write a search statement. The sentence stem on the slide is a good example of writing a search statement. This is what you would type into the search bar. Here are some examples. College and entrance exams, admissions and test anxiety. If you don't find good results in your first try, don't give up. It can take several attempts to find a good resource. Use your keyword list to try different combinations. Use your background knowledge and subject-specific vocabulary. You can also ask a librarian for help at any point during your research process. Now that you can have your search statement ready, it's time to search for sources. Refer to your assignment instructions to make sure you know how many and what kind of sources are required for the paper. It also helps to think about where you can find the sources that you need. The easiest place to look is using the LRC's SuperSearch and databases. They are free for OC students to use, and most professors recommend that you use them. Other places to search can be Google Scholar and reputable websites. URLs with .edu are educational resources. URLs with .gov are government-related resources. URLs with .com are usually not used for research. Whatever resource you decide to use, always evaluate your source. The next slide will show you what to look for. When you are consuming any source of information, it's always a good idea to evaluate the quality of that resource. Consider the currency and timeliness of the information. Depending on your research topic, the date something was published can be an important factor. The relevance relates to the importance of the information to your needs. Don't waste your time on sources that aren't relevant to your topic. You also want to consider the authority of the information. Was the information published by a reliable author that can be trusted? Next, check the content for accuracy. Then consider the purpose of the information. Was it written to inform, persuade, entertain? Use these steps to evaluate the resources that you read. When doing research, it can often seem like information overload. Knowing the parts of a scholarly article will help you quickly identify if a resource is relevant to your topic. This will save you a lot of time as you're searching for articles. Normally, we read things from beginning to end. In this case, it is okay to read parts out of order. Skimming the words is also an efficient way to find a good article. Reading every single word can take up time. Train your eyes to find keywords, a thesis statement, and other important information. Here are the recommended steps. Step 1. Read the abstract or summary of the article. This section is the easiest way to determine if an article fits your information needs. If it seems relevant, move on to Step 2 to read the introduction and discussion or conclusion. Step 3. Pause and evaluate if what you have read fits your research question. If it doesn't work, move on. If it does work, then you can go to Step 4 and read through the methods and results of the article. A few reading tips. As you are doing research, stay focused on the information that is relevant to your research question. Having your research question available to reference can help you stay focused. Think critically as you read. Highlight and take notes. Keep an eye out of new keywords or references. If the article you are reading fits with your topic, chances are you can find keywords and references that lead to more sources. Tips for taking notes. Whether you have printed out the article to read on paper or are using a document reader, mark up what you read. Highlight and make notes in the margins. Limit your highlighting to the most important quotes or phrases. Summarizing the main points and reflecting on what you read can help you comprehend the content more effectively. We are here to help. The LRC has many resources that can help you with your research. You can ask a librarian to help you with developing a search strategy or finding resources. The Writing Center can help you with writing your paper and citations. Our tutors can also help you with writing, citations, and course-specific content.